Hi everyone, welcome to Krish Chemistry. So in this video we are going to discuss basic maths for BARC exam. So this video is very relevant video based on previous year question papers. I am going to discuss the relevant questions only regarding your basic mathematics. So actually so many papers are not available. Specific syllabus is also not available for BARC. So based on 2020 and 2021 paper, the important topics are differentiation, integration, limits and probability. So we are going to discuss the relevant questions regarding these 4 chapters in this video, right? And if these questions or this type of concepts will come in your exam, then definitely you can attend. Otherwise, please focus on your chemistry. Even without mathematics, without analytical chemistry also, if you focus more on your chemistry, then definitely you can qualify this exam, right? If you once qualify, please let me know. I will try to arrange mock interview session also in our channel, right? Okay, so let us start the first one. So the first question is limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 over root over 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, you have to evaluate this. First of all, I don't want to write the options here. So the first option is 2, second option is log 2 base c, third option is log 2 base c over 2, fourth option is 2 log 2 base c. Okay, so I will give the solution to you. First of all, how to do this question? Simple. Here limit x tends to 0. Okay, so put here 0, 2 power 0 minus 1 by root over 1 plus 0. So if you put 0 here, 2 power 0, so this whole term is this one and this one, 0 by 0, right? You will get 0 by 0. If you put x value 0, then you will get 0 by 0. So whenever you have this term and whenever you have especially a root, what you have to do? You have to rationalize the equation. How can you rationalize the equation? Simple. 2 power x minus 1 over root over 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, now you have to multiply and divide with just with positive sign. Okay, here minus sign is there. You have to multiply and divide with positive sign. That is nothing but rationalizing the equation. So root over 1 plus x plus 1 over root over 1 plus x plus 1 again. Okay, so this is the first one. Now what you have to do? So simple, 2 power x minus 1, right? Here root over 1 plus x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x minus 1, root over 1 plus x into root over 1 plus x, root over 1 plus x whole square. Square root get cancelled, 1 plus x, right? So here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. See, 2 power x minus 1 over, so what is the value? Root 1 plus x whole square. That means 1 plus x. If you multiply these two, 1 plus x minus 1. And here this one, root over 1 plus x plus 1, right? So 1 get cancelled. What you will get? 2 power x minus 1 over x and root over 1 plus x plus 1, right? You have to apply limit for this and this also, because limit is just continuing like this. Here limit extends to 0, here also limit extends to 0, here limit extends to 0. So what I do? Limit extends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 by x, 2 power x minus 1 by x, and limit extends to 0, root over 1 plus x minus 1. Can I write like this? Now see, limit extends to 0 if this form is there. For suppose limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. Okay, so the value is log a base c. Okay, so log a base c. So this is also in this form only. So how can you write this? Limit x tends to 0, I can write log in place of a I have 2, right? So log 2 base c. So this is the value of this. Now this one, limit extends to 0. Put x value here, x is 0, so 1 plus 0, 1, right? 1 plus 0, 1. Yes, so here this is plus 1, right? X is 0, so 1 plus 1, 2, right? Root over 1 plus 0, 1, root 1, 1, so 1 plus 1, 2, so into 2. So what is the value? 2 log 2 base c, 2 log 2 base c. So this is the answer. Clear? Next question. Next question. Limit x tends to infinity if limit x tends to infinity, x square plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus ax minus b equal to 4. Then, okay, what is the value? So first option is a equal to 1, b equal to 4. Second option, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4. Third option, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3. Fourth option, a equal to 2, b equal to 2. Right? How can you do this question? First of all, given this, right? Limit extends to infinity. This one is given. Now what you have to do? Simple. Multiply with this. How can I write? Limit x tends to infinity, x square plus x plus 1. X plus 1 into minus ax. That means minus ax square minus ax. Right? Okay. So next, minus b into x plus 1. That is minus bx minus b over x plus 1, right, equal to 4. Up to here clear? Okay. Here you have to remember one thing. Limit x tends to infinity is okay. Whenever we have the power here, right, here x power 1, here x power 2. If denominator power, okay, if denominator power is greater than numerator power, if denominator power, this power is greater than numerator power, the value is 0. Clear? If denominator power is greater than numerator power, then this value should be 0. If numerator power, that means upper one, is greater than denominator power, then value should be infinity. Okay? So when denominator power equal to numerator power, then the value you have to calculate, like you have to take the coefficient. For suppose x square, you have to take this coefficient, you have to take this coefficient. Okay? That means this coefficient by this coefficient you have to see. This coefficient by this coefficient when denominator and numerator are equal. Okay. So when denominator greater than numerator, then value should be 0. Here given 4. So denominator greater than numerator is not correct. Next, numerator greater than denominator, then value should be infinity. Here 4. So this is also not the option. Right? Now denominator equal to numerator. When denominator equal to numerator, so then only you will get this value. Right? Denominator then should be equal to numerator. Now see, this power is 1. This power is 2. Yes or no? This power is 2. So before we do this, we do one thing. Here x square, here ax square, right? Just take common. How can I write this? Simple. 1 minus a into x square. I can write like this. Again, same thing. If I take x, ax, bx, I can write 1 minus a minus b into x, right, plus constants 1 minus b over x plus 1, okay, equal to 4. Now, so this should be the condition. So whenever this is the condition, so your numerator and denominator power should be equal. Here 1, here 2, okay. So here 1, here 2. So these are not equal. What I have to do? I have to nullify this term. So to nullify this term, what I do? 1 minus a should be equal to 0. If 1 minus a is 0, then I can nullify this term, I can remove this term, because this and this are not equal. Denominator and numerator powers are not equal. So 1 minus a equal to 0, a equal to 1, a equal to 1. Now here see, here this power is 1, here this power is 1. That means numerator equal to denominator. When numerator equal to denominator, you have to take these coefficients, this coefficient over this coefficient, right? So over this coefficient, whenever numerator and denominator powers are equal, you have to take coefficients. That means 1 minus a minus b, coefficient of this, and coefficient of this is 1, right, over 1, equal to 4, right? So here a value is 1, put here 1 minus 1 minus b equal to 4, right? So 1 get cancelled, minus b equal to 4, b equal to minus 4, b equal to minus 4. That means answer is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4. Clear? Yes. Next. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0. Okay. X square plus sin y over sin x square. When x comma y tends to 0 comma 0, that means x value is 0 and y value is 0. Along the curve is given y equal to x square. Along the curve y equal to x square is equal to. This is the question. So options given: option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. How can you solve this question? Very simple. First of all, we must understand this. Here y equal to x square condition is given. Y equal to x square condition is given, and x tends to 0 and y tends to 0. Yes, y equal to x square condition. So in place of x square, I can put y. So limit, here y equal to x square, so I write y tends to 0 only. Here in place of x square, I can put y. So y plus sin y over sin, in place of x square, I can put y. This is the first step. What is the second step? Simple. You have to divide, because you are in options, you are getting whole number, right? So you have to divide with sin y, everything, every variable. So if I divide every variable with sin y, y by sin y, y by sin y, plus sin y by sin y, sin y by sin y, over sin y by sin y, right? Sin y by sin y. So here this is 1, this is 1, right? So limit y tends to 0, here this is 1, this is 1, and whenever we have limit y tends to 0, so one condition is there, you have to remember. So whenever we have limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value equal to 1. In the same way, x by sin x is also 1. Limit x tends to 0. In the same way, if I have the limit y tends to 0, y by sin y is also 1. So I can write, in place of this, I can write 1. So 1 plus 1 over 1. That means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So answer is 2. Right? Okay. Next question. If f dash of x equal to root x, okay, and f of 1 equal to 2, right, which is equal to what? So if you see, so we don't need to discuss about the options, see directly. So first of all, given is f dash of x equal to root x. How can I write this f dash of x? F dash means first derivative. So I can write this as d by dx f of x, d by dx f of x. That is nothing but f dash of x. So d by dx of f of x equal to root x dx, right? Here I am taking integration in both the sides. Why? I am taking integration on both the sides. Why? because integration and derivation both are reversible functions. So they will get cancel each other and remaining we will get the same function. So that I'm taking like this, right? Okay. So when I'm taking like this and this will get cancelled and f of x, and whenever I have integration derivation both I have to take constant. So first one is c1. Here root over x. What is the integration? Root x means x power 1 by 2. So x power n equal to integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right? So in place of n we have x power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Right? So the integration is here 2 by 3. What is the value? 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus again here integration, so constant c2. Clear? Now I can write this whole thing is f of x equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus constant. I can write like this. Okay. Now what I have to do? In place of f of x, they are given the condition f of 1 equal to 2. So in place of x, if I put 1, then f of 1. So already f of 1 value is given, that is 2. Right? 2 equal to 2 by 3 into, in place of x I have 1. So here 1 whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Yes? Okay. So if you find out this, c equal to 2 minus 2 by 3, because 1 power 3 by 2, 1, 2 minus 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3. That is 4 by 3. So put this c value here. Put this c value here. Then you will get 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Next. Next question. The area bounded by the curve. The area bounded by the curve. Bounded by the curve given. So y equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So this curve is given with the x-axis is k square. With the x-axis is is k square units. K square units. The question is, the area bounded by the curve y equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square with the x-axis is k square units. Then the value of 60k is equal to, they are asking 60k is equal to, right? This is the question. Okay. Remember one thing, whenever we have y equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square, always the roots are 0, 1. 0, 1 roots. So what you have to do, whenever you get this type of questions, you have to integrate these things. You have to integrate with respect to 0, 1. So I'm taking function a equal to integral over 0 to 1, right? X square into x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square dx. Okay, this is the first. So just integrate this. Integral over 0 to 1 x square into a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So x square minus 2x plus 1 dx. I can write like this. Okay. So first of all, multiply this with this. So I can write integral over 0 to 1 x square into x square, x power of 4 minus 2x cube plus x square dx. Clear? Okay. Now what you have to do? Simple integration. So x power of 4 integration, I can write x power of 5 by 5 by x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 into x power of 4 by 4, okay, plus x cube by 3. X cube by 3 and put the limits here 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. So first of all you have to put 1, next you have to put 0. So 0 value you don't need to put, first of all you put 1 only, right? So if you put 1, so the value is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM of this, okay? Take the LCM. So you will get 6 minus 5 plus 10 over 30, because 5, 2, 3 LCM is 30. So 30 into 1 by 5, 6, 30 into 1 by 2, 5, and 1 by 3 into 30, 10. So 6 minus 5 plus 10 by 30. So what is the value? 1 by 30. Value is 1 by 30. If I am not wrong, 1 by 30 is the, so here this is 15, right? This is 15. So 6 minus 15 plus 10 over 30. So 1 by 30 is the answer. Next question is a line OP given through the origin O is inclined at 30 degrees and 45 degrees, right, to OX and OY respectively, right? This OP line is there through origin. So this OE along the x-axis, OX along the y-axis, OY, 30 and 45 degrees respectively. Then the question is, find the angle at which it is inclined to OZ. Okay, angle inclined to OZ. For suppose I am taking this graph, right? So here O is there. So this is the OP line, and this is doing angle 30 degrees with x-axis, 45 degrees with y-axis, right? So this is if z-axis. So what is the angle of this? They are asking. Okay, so we can say this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha equal to 30 degrees and beta equal to 45 degrees given. Okay, so one formula we have, you have to remember this formula: cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1, right? So put the value alpha 30. So cos square 30. What is the cos square 30 value? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square I can write, right? Next, cos 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square I can write. I don't know the gamma, so cos square gamma equal to 1. So this is nothing but gamma, right? OZ. Okay. Now the value, if you calculate cos square gamma equal to, I can write 1 minus 3 by 4, square root get cancelled, 3 by 4, and 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, right? So cos square gamma equal to minus 1 by 4. Generally any angle should not be negative, right? So that's the reason why this is not possible. No such line exists. So option is no such line exists, right? So whenever we have the negative value, the line will not exist. Okay, next question. This question is regarding probability. In fact, very important question, right? See, a function is selected from all functions defined over given set A consisting of 3 distinct elements. Simple, one set is given having 3 distinct elements, that is A, B, C. Okay, मान लो ABC. Actually, examiners given set A consisting of 3 distinct elements. So those 3 distinct elements we are saying ABC, right? So probability that mapping selected is 1 to 1 is. The question is probability that mapping selected is 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 mapping. What is the probability for 1 to 1 mapping? So first of all, we all must understand one thing. Here ABC, right? To map anything, we have to have 2 sets right? First of all, set A, and again I am taking another set. So here A, B, C elements are there. In this also A, B, C elements are there. Then only mapping possible. Then only mapping is possible. Otherwise mapping is not possible. So I am taking two sets of this, right? So here what you have to do, number of possibilities of mapping. First of all, you have to see. You have to see number of possibilities of mapping. If you see first A, it can map with this, it can map with this, and it can map with this two. So three possibilities are there. In the same way, for B, three possibilities are there. A, B, C. C, three possibilities are there. So number of possibilities for mapping or number of samples we can write. This is possible mappings. So here for A3, for B3, for C3, totally I can write 3Q, that is 27. Okay, this is possible mappings. Now number of outcomes, that is represented by E. What is the outcome? Here see, given condition is 1-to-1 mapping. So whenever 1-to-1 mapping, A can map with A or B or C only. So for suppose, okay, so this can map with A or B or C. So totally number of possible outcomes for A is 3. Yes, for suppose 1-to-1 only, it can map with 1 only. For suppose this A is mapping with A, then B cannot map with A, B can map with B and C only. So number of possible outcomes for B is B and C. B can map with B or B can map with C only, right? Only two possible outcomes. So for B, 2. For suppose B is mapping with B. Now remaining C only, C can map with this only. So number of possible outcomes for C is 1. Can I write like this? Yes. So 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. So 6 is nothing but your 3 factorial. You can write 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Okay. So now calculate probability. So probability formula equal to number of outcomes n of E by possibility of mapping, that is n of S. Okay. So 3 factorial by 27. This is your answer. Or we can write 6 by 27. 6 by 27. Or we can write 6 by 27, 2 by 9. Right? 2 by 9. 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27. So 2 by 9. Okay. So clear? Next. Next one is, this is very important question. In fact, this type of question exactly asked in BARC 2020, right? So the first derivative of function given f of y equal to 1 plus y square plus y cube and so on, y power 20. Okay, y power 20 at condition is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Okay. So first of all, first derivative, that means I can write f dash of y. First derivative, f dash of y. So if you derive this, d1 by dy, that is 0. dy by dy, 1 plus y square, 2y plus y cube, 3y square, 3y square up to 20 into y power 20 means the derivative x power n equal to nx power n minus 1. Integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Derivation x power n equal to nx power n minus 1. 20 y power 20 minus 1, that is 20 y power 90. Okay. Here y square means 2y power 2 minus 1, that is this. Here 3y power 3 minus 1, 3y square. Okay. Next. So you have to put y value as 1 at y equal to 1. Put y value here. So you will get 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 square, that is 3, and so on, 20. If you put y value, okay, just add these things, you will get the value. Okay. Next one, second derivative. Find second derivative for y equal to 4x cube minus 2. This equation is given. You have to find second derivative at the slope at the slope of 2 comma 4. At the slope of 2 comma 4. First of all, you have to find out dy by dx, dy by dx, and d square y by dx square. First derivative and second derivative, dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Okay, how you have to do? So the first derivative dy by dx for this equation, 4 into x cube, that means 3x power 3 minus 1, 4 into 3x square I can write, minus 2 constant, that is 0, that is 12x square, 12x square. So if you want first derivative, here x value, here y value, put x value here, 2 square 4, okay, 4 12 ja 48. So answer is 48 for the first derivative. So if I want second derivative, d square y by dx square, then what I have to do? 12 into here x square means 2x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x, 12 into 2x, this is the second derivative. So put x value here, 12 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 12 ja 48, 4 12 ja 48. So this is the this is the answer, right? Next one. Next question, very important question, very important question. 4 persons are in the room. 4 persons, P means persons, 4 persons are in the room. 4 persons are in the room, right? Each person has 6 ways to go out. Each person has 6 ways, right, of the room, but only one way is correct. One way is the correct way. One way is correct way. Find the probability. Find the probability of incorrect way by the person. Way by the person. Very important. See. So first of all, 4 persons are there in this room, right? Totally 6 ways to go out, but only one way is correct. That means, so correct way is only 1 out of 6 ways. So correct ways is only 1 out of 6. Remaining 5 ways are incorrect. Remaining 5 ways are incorrect out of 6 ways, that is 5 by 6. So incorrect ways are 5 by 6 by one person. By one person, 5 by 6 incorrect ways, right? So by one person, if 5 by 6 is the incorrect, then 4 persons are there. 4 persons are there. So 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. I can write like this, right? So calculate this value. You will get 625 over I think 1296. Okay, this is the value. Clear? Next one, very important and previous year question too. 3 multiple choice questions are there. MCQ. 3 multiple choice questions are given. Each question has 4 options. Right? Find probability of incorrect by student. Okay. Here 3 MCQs are there. So out of 4 options, 1 will be your correct answer, right? So the correct one should be 1 out of 4. Out of 4 options, 1 option will be correct. Remaining incorrect options are 3. 3 out of 4 are incorrect by one person, by one student. So totally 3 MCQs are there. 3 MCQs are there. So I can write 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Yes. So if you calculate this, your answer is 27 by 67. Right. So these are the questions. I hope you people understood well. If you have any further doubts in any question, please ask me in the comment section. These questions are more than enough to practice. If this type of questions will ask you in the exam, then happily you will attempt. Otherwise, please focus on your chemistry portion more. Then definitely you can easily do. Right? So thank you so much. Thank you so much, and don't neglect your chemistry portion. Chemistry portion is very, very important, and I have already made some formula list also. So please see that formula list. That formula list will be very, very useful to you, right? So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.